So just like the other questions, our first step is to take the logarithm of both sides. And then we want to bring down both exponents as coefficients. Next, we want to distribute the logarithms across the parentheses. So that's going to be x log of 2 plus log of 2 is equal to log of 5 minus 2x log of 5. Now I want to get all of my terms that have an x on one side and all of my terms that don't have an x on the other. So I'm going to move the negative 2x log of 5 to the left and the log of 2 to the right. So x log of 2 plus 2x log of 5 is equal to log of 5 minus log of 2. And we're doing this so that we can factor x out as a GCF on the left-hand side of the equation. So x times log of 2 plus 2 times log of 5 is equal to log of 5 minus log of 2. Next, I want to divide both sides by log of 2 plus 2 log of 5. So x is equal to log of 5 minus log of 2 over log of 2 plus 2 times log of 5. So a very complicated answer. And you could use the quotient and product and power rule to condense this into log of 5 over 2 over log of 50. The 5 over 2 comes from this 5 and this 2. The 50 comes from 2 times 5 squared. And then the decimal approximation is 0.234.